Bhavannada Pavana Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakrutkanta Kama Prada Prabhu. So the sense of time, is a time Lord. The Lord is a time Lord. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannata. Nata means is the master. Master of time. The Lord is master of the time, and He is purifying agent. He is not only master of the time, but is Pavanaha. Pavana is air. Air has the Pavana qualities. Of all the Panchabhutas is air, which has the purifying capacity. Pavana Pavano Analaha. But fire has the accepting capacity. So the all-pervading consciousness, the invisible consciousness, accepts some of your offerings. Many of your offerings to the fire. That's why in the yajna, fire element is used. So please understand. The acceptance of the universal consciousness is through fire. So Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannata Pavana Pavano Analaha. Kamaha, Kamakrutkanta. So the life cycle of Kama is, first Kama has to be created, Kamakrut. Then Kama has to manifest itself. Kama himself is Vishnu. Then Kamaha. So when Kama is uncontrollable, it leads to a lot of problems in the mind. So the quenching of Kama, the destruction of the desire, Kamaha. Kama Prada also, when there is too much hankering, you cannot focus on the completeness of the soul, then you need somebody to grant your sense object, that is Kama Prada. So the Lord plays all these four functions, Kama Krut, Kama Prada, Kamaha. And He is Kantaha. So when you accept Him as the Kanta, all your desires will be satisfied. Many people are sexually dissatisfied. So one of the remedies is to hear the pastimes of the gopis with Krishna and accept the Lord as Kanta, or serve in the Kanta Leela, which is the Radha Krishna Leela. Then when by meditating on that, your sensual desires will go down and go to transcendence. So that is one of the solutions. Very rare solution, but that is also one of the solutions. Nymphomania solutions. So Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannata Pavana Pavana Onalha. So Panchabhutas are important to access divinity through Panchabhutas. Like air can purify. Only after purification we can do yajna. Yajna means the service spirit. Yajna is a service spirit. So by purification, our internal service spirit arises, and then we can offer our service into the fire. Analaha. So, and the time sense is important because all this is happening beyond time. Once you want to, so you have to go beyond time, then worship the Lord as a Natha of the time, and plus you cleanse yourself. If you see in the olden process, the Vedic process, pranayama is done before every Sandhya Vandanam or japa or chanting, because there needs to be purification. Through air, by properly breathing air, pavanaha, you can get pavanaha, you can get purified. And then you can offer the yajna, offer the service. So before offering service, one has to come out of time by remembering the Lord as Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannataha, and then purify oneself through pranayama, and then do the spiritual activities. The Lord is helping here. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannata Pavana Pavano Analaha. And then of course the desires have to be transformed. So the various aspects of Kama is the Lord. He is the Prabhu. He is the Prabhu of all the various aspects of Kama. So transform that. Have Kama in relation to the Prabhu. Have Kama in relation to Prabhu. Don't have independent Kama on the sense object. So that is, then when you meditate the Lord on Kamaha, when we meditate continuously, Kamahaya Namaha, Kamahaya Namaha, Kamahaya Namaha, then the material desires will be destroyed. The sexual desires will be destroyed. The unnecessary. Anartha Upashamam Shakshad Bhaktiri Yogama Dakshit. Anartha Upashamana will happen by meditating on the Lord as Kamaha. Okay, Kamaha, Kamakrut Kanta, Kama. Kama Prada means Kanta Bhava. If you want to get the Kama of serving the Lord in Kanta Bhava, then Kama Prada, you can meditate. So like that, there's various aspects of this shloka which we have to understand, which will help us in the Abhideya process of destroying the desire. Anyabilashita Shunyam. How to make Anyabilasha Shunyam? By meditating on the Lord as Vishnu as Kamaha. How to purify oneself, Cetodarpanamarjanam, by meditating on the Lord as Pavanaha. You are inside the air, and you can purify through the pranayama process. So let's pay obeisances to the shloka of Vishnu Sahasrama, shloka number 32, and continuously chant this Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannatha Pavana Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakrutkanta Kama Kama Prabhu.